Hey guys, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm excited to be participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. Thank you, Hillary, for hosting again this season. So we were supposed to go to Goodwill, a yard sale, some type of thrift store, and not spend more than $5 and purchase an item. I did a little bit better than that. Actually, my husband helped someone move and they gave him a few things. Of course, he took them because he knew that I would do something with them. So my challenge today is a zero spend. And I can't wait for you guys to see it because I would like your opinion at the end of the video. I will link Hillary's channel down below along with the playlist. And here is a picture of Hillary right here. So let's just get right to it and I will show you what I came up with. Okay guys, so here they are. This one is not part of the set. This is glass. These are a metal. They are gold, which I don't care for. Plus they need to be repainted anyway. They have some places on them. I do have a silver spray paint that I think I'm going to use on the glass piece that doesn't go with the set just to see how it turns out. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the sun is killer out here this evening. I hope you can see this. Thought I'd bring you along on my first test run. The paint's blowing towards my camera. I don't want to get paint all over it, so I'm gonna move you. I can't really see what kind of coverage I'm getting because the sun is so bright. But I'm sure that it will need more than one coat. Okay, so you guys know I spray painted this one silver and I was attempting an ombre effect, so I did some green. But since this piece didn't go with the set anyway, I was just practicing on it and I'm sure I will do something else with it. But hang tight and I will show you how the others came out. Okay guys, here they are. I used the 97-cent Walmart white spray paint that I already had on hand, and this is a claret red, I believe is how you pronounce it. I already had that on hand because I just wasn't sure how these would come out with me trying to do that ombre effect. I think they turned out pretty good. They look a whole lot better than the original gold that was on them. And I think I'll leave them like this for a while. I may change them later, but I'll get you in a little closer. And so as you can see, the taller ones I did the darker color at the bottom, and the short ones I did the dark color at the top. I will use these in my home. I'm just not sure where yet. It is Thursday night and I'm just getting my video shot and actually just spray painted these. So from this to this, I think it made a huge difference. Let me know what you guys think, or if there are other colors you think would look better, if you like the ombre effect, or if you think a solid color would be better for these. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Hillary, for hosting this Goodwill Challenge. I've had such a good time participating. Remember to like, share, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.